Hey everyone, it's Ben. I'm here in the heart of Incheon. It's very cold, it's very early, but things are okay. We're going to take the subway and yeah, we're going to show you how easy and convenient it is. So let's go. Okay, this is the ticket machine. Pretty simple, even I can do it and I'm pretty stupid. All you do, put in the money, you can choose where to go. It's got an English option. So let's go English, destination. Today we are going to go to Seoul Station. Sadly I'm an adult, no longer a child. Can't get that back. We're going to insert our money. Our ticket will come out. Take a receipt for tax purposes, and then we're ready to go. Okay, here we are on the train, as you can see. Pretty nice, pretty clean, and we're going to head off. It's very cold, but I hope the train will get us there on time. Okay, I've done my journey. Now it's time to get a deposit using the deposit machine. Hopefully I should get some money back from this. Let's find out. Insert ticket. Deposit refunding. Ooh, and Benny gets some money.